through seasons heavy and cold, carrying stories I never told. Every tear felt like thunder in my chest, trying my best but never feeling rest. The sky was crying just like me, breaking apart what I used to be. I didn't know the storm would end, or if my heart would ever mend. But even the darkest night can change. Nothing stays the same when it rains. And slowly I started to see the storm was shaping a better me. After the rain, I found my peace. The weight I carried finally released. Every tear became a river to the sea, washing away what wasn't meant for me. After the rain, I learned to breathe, letting go of everything underneath. And for the first time in a long, long while, I found my peace, I found my smile. I used to question every mistake, wondering how much more I could take. But broken pieces start to align when you give your heart enough time. Now I see beauty in what I survived, proof that I'm still alive. Not every end really means goodbye. Some are just reasons to rise. And every drop that touched my skin was teaching me how to begin again. What felt like losing all I had was really healing what was bad. After the rain, I found my peace. The weight I carried finally released. Every tear became a river to the sea, washing away what wasn't meant for me. After the rain, I learned to breathe, letting go of everything underneath. And for the first time in a long, long while, I found my peace, I found my smile. So let it rain, let it fall, it won't break me after all. I've learned the storm will pass through and leave a stronger version of you. After the rain, I found my peace. The clouds are gone, my soul released. Every scar turned into poetry, telling me I was always meant to be free. After the rain, the rise again, no longer lost in where I've been. And now I know deep inside, peace was waiting on the other side. After the rain, I breathe again. I found my peace after the rain.